Look at Nana. This is a class 9 physics problems from the third lesson. Okay. First, what is the question given? Light travels with a speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Whereas, how long does the light take to reach Earth from the sun? So, how much distance it is going to be traveled from Earth to sun? We have to calculate, which is 1.5 into 10 power 11 meters away. So, here given data. What is the given data here? Speed of light, right? Given data, that is speed of light. Speed of light is equals to 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Okay, is it clear everyone? Next one, given distance. What is the distance given? Distance is denoted with letter S. Oh no, distance is denoted with letter S is equals to 1.5 into 10 power 11 meters. Okay, and also we know that. So speed is given, at the same time distance is given. We have the average speed, right? Average speed is equals to distance by time taken. Distance by time taken. Okay, now is it clear everyone? We know that formula. Average speed is equals to distance by time taken. From this we can calculate the time taken. Why? Because speed is given, distance is given. So we have to calculate what? Time taken. So down average speed by 1 I am taking. By doing cross multiplication, we get what is the value we are getting? Time taken T is equals to average speed into distance. Time taken is equals to formula what? Average speed into distance. So time taken T is equals to what is the speed beta? 3 into 10 power 8. 3 into 10 power 8. So we can write like this also, right? Look at ma'am, what is the given question? This is a class 9 physics problems. Light travels with a speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. How long does the light take to reach Earth from the sun, which is 1.5 into 10 power 11 meters away? So what is the calculation here? Given data is speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Whereas given the distance is distance denoted with symbol S. Given that 1.5 into 10 power 11 meters. Okay, we already know that average speed is equals to distance by time taken. So what is the values we got here? Speed we got, distance we got. So we have calculating now time taken. So time taken is equals to speed by distance. Time taken is equals to what, Anna? Time taken is equals to distance by speed. Distance by speed. Okay. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. From this equation we got time taken is equals to distance by average speed. Okay. Time taken is equals to what is the distance here? 1.5 into 10 power 11 meters by speed. What is the speed here? 3 into 10 power 8 meters. Okay, no. Next one. It is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. Okay, a power m divided by a power n is equals to bases are equal. So what is this? A division symbol. So what we have to do? A power m minus n, right? A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So then after, look at here. Time taken is equals to, do the 1.5 divided by 3 into 10 power 11 minus 8 meters per seconds. Time taken is equals to 1.5 divided by 3 into 10 power 11 minus 8, how much? 3 meters per second. Is it clear everyone? So this one we can write it is in the form of what, Nana? Any cancellation is there? Any cancellation is there? Nothing is there, right? So this is the time taken of value. What is the value here? We got 3 ones are 3 15s also we can do. 3 ones are 3 15s and then means 0.3. 3 5s are 15. So time taken is equals to 0.5 into 10 power 3 meters per seconds. Once again I am repeating. Given data, speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Distance is 1.5 into 10 power 11. So we know that average speed is equals to distance by time taken. This is equation number 1. From that equation we get the value time taken is equals to distance by speed. So time taken is equals to distance 1.5 into 10 power 11 divided by speed 3 into 10 power 8. So now do the cross multiplication here. Time taken is equals to 1.5 by 3 into, but it is in the form of a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So 10 power 11 minus 8. Time taken is equals to 1.5 divided by 3 into 10 power 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 how much? 3. 3 meters per second. So cancellation do na, 3 ones are 3 fives are, right? So 0.5. Time taken is equals to 0.5 into 10 cube meters per second. Is it clear everyone? Look at now, next question is, a body travels along a circular path of radius 14 meters. So let us consider a circle. This is a circle. So given the radius is equals to 14 meters. Okay now. Diameter is equals to what? Radius by 2. Diameter is equals to what? Radius by 2. A body travels along a circular path of radius 14 meters. If it completes one rotation in 4 seconds. If it completes one rotation in how many minutes? 4 seconds. Given the time interval is 4 seconds, it completes its one rotation. Then find the speed and velocity of a body. So we have to calculate what? Average speed as well as the velocity for a given problem. So we have to calculate speed is equals to how much and velocity is equals to how much. So given the distance, this is circumference, we can take that this is the distance, right? So I am taking circumference of a circle is, what is the formula for circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Given radius, so that is the reason I am taking the distance is 2 pi r. So 2 into, what is the value of pi beta? 22 by 7, or you can take 3.14 also. Okay, pi value is 3.14 or 22 by 7 you can take it. Okay, 22 by 7 into, given radius is 14 meters. Okay, now do the multiplication. 7 ones are 7 twos are how much now? 2 into 22 into 2 left. So 2 into 22 into 2 how much now? 2 twos are 4. 4 into 22 how much? 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. So how much? 88 meters. Okay now, given data. So what is the speed given here? Time interval is 4 seconds. Time interval is 4 seconds. We know that distance is there, time is there. So we can calculate the average speed, right? Average speed is equals to distance by time taken. So what is the distance we got here? 88 pi. What is the time taken here? 4. Now do the cancellation. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos, 4 twos. Okay. So how much Nana? Speed is equals to 22 meters per second. Average speed is equals to 22 meters per second. Similarly, what we have to calculate? Displacement we have to calculate. But the point will be start from the origin itself. So what happens at the origin? What is the value of displacement here? Displacement means shortest path. Yes or no? This is the shortest path, but it will be start from the origin. So its initial value will be 0. Yes or not? Finally it reaches to the same end point. So therefore the displacement will be becomes as a 0. But given displacement is 0 and we have to calculate. Velocity is equals to how much we have to calculate. So we know that velocity is equals to displacement by time taken. Yes or no? What is the formula for velocity? Displacement by time taken. So velocity is equals to displacement how much? 0 by time taken. How much time taken given? 4 seconds. Okay. So velocity equal to 0 by 4 means velocity equals to 0 meters per second. So what is the velocity we got here? 0 meters per second. So distance is complete. Average speed is calculated. At the same time, velocity is also calculated. Okay now. Once again I am repeating. A body travels along a circular path of radius 14 meters. Given that radius is equal to 14 meters, it completes one rotation in 4 seconds of time interval. Okay now. We have to calculate the average speed and velocity. Circumference of a circle. Okay, this is the shortest path, right? So I am taking the distance here 2 pi r. Initially radius value is given. So 2 into 5 means 22 by 7 into radius 14. 7 ones, 7 twos. So what is the left term? 2 into 20 into 2. What is the value? 88 meters. Whereas given data, time is equals to 4 seconds. Speed is equals to distance by time. So now what is the value we got? Distance 88 by 4. 4 ones, 4 22s is equals to 22 meters per second. So whenever the object is started from the origin, this is shortest path and it will finally reaches to the same state of order. So that is the reason displacement will be starts from the 0 and end at the 0 point. So displacement becomes 0 at initial state and final point. What we have tried here? Displacement is equal to 0 at initial and final point. At initial and final point. Initial and final point. Okay now. So now tell me here, velocity is equals to displacement by time taken. Velocity is equals to, what is the value of displacement? 0 by time interval 4. Velocity is equals to 0 meters per second. Is it clear everyone?